In today's video, I am going to teach you how to sign up on Godaddy. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Godaddy homepage. Once the website loads, take a moment to look at the top right corner of the screen. This is where you will find the Sign In option. Even though you are creating a new account, this is the correct place to begin, because the account creation option is located inside that menu. Click on Sign In and a menu or sign-in page will appear. In that area, look for the section labeled New Customer. Under that section, click Create an Account. This will take you to the registration page where you can choose how you want to sign up. Godaddy gives you a few different sign-up methods, so choose the option that works best for you. You may see the choice to continue with Google, continue with Facebook, or continue with email. If you prefer a faster setup and already use one of those connected services, signing up with Google or Facebook can save time because some of your basic details may be filled in automatically. If you would rather create your account manually, choose the email option. Then enter your email address in the required field. After that, create a username for your account. Try to choose something that is easy for you to remember, but still professional if you plan to use Godaddy for business or website management. Next, create a strong password. A good password should be unique and difficult for others to guess. This helps protect your account and any services you may add later, such as domains, hosting, or email products. Once you have filled in the required information, review everything carefully to make sure it is correct. This is especially helpful if you are using email sign-up, since your account details will be tied to the information you enter here. When you are ready, click the Create Account button to finalize your registration. After that, your Godaddy account should be set up and you can move on to exploring the platform, searching for domain names, or managing other services available through your new account. That covers everything you need to know.